I'm Kyle Matthews, and I'm proud to be the 5th generation of my family to be a part of Janet Davis Cleaners. We have been providing superior dry cleaning and laundry services since 1938. Our state-of-the-art textile cleaning facility is located on Woodward Avenue, north of 11 Mile, with free pickup and delivery throughout Metro Detroit. We clean your everyday clothes, your work attire, items for life special occasions such as your wedding or children's religious ceremony, along with your designer and couture pieces. In addition, we clean many items around your home like sheets, comforters, tablecloths, and more. We begin by entering your items into our innovative textile management system. To start the cleaning process, your item is inspected, pre-treated, and sorted according to its color, material, and weight of the fabric. The next step is cleaning. We have recently invested in the most advanced cleaning technology so that your clothes are thoroughly cleaned, leaving them fresh and odor-free, all while being environmentally friendly. Now that your item is clean, we'll steam, press, or iron it to remove the wrinkles. Up next is final inspection to ensure that your item is clean, wrinkle-free, and that all zippers, buttons, and embellishments are intact and working, followed by logically packaging your items together. Our commitment to you is that all items are ready to wear and household items ready to use when they are returned to you. To discover the Janet Davis difference for yourself, call 248-543-0340 or visit janetdaviscleaners.com to schedule your first pickup. We are different, we are better, you're worth it.